Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Htvront printable vinyl for inkjet printer. A top choice for anyone looking to create high-quality, durable stickers and decals. Whether you're a crafter, small business owner, or just someone who loves DIY projects, this printable vinyl could be a game-changer for your printing needs. HtVront's printable vinyl comes in a pack of 40 sheets, each measuring the standard 8.5 by 11 inches. The glossy white finish not only makes your designs pop with vibrant color but also provides a water-resistant surface that stands up to everyday wear. This means your prints won't just look great on day one. They'll last much longer, even when exposed to water. As long as you let the ink dry properly and apply a clear UV-resistant sealer spray or laminate the sheets. One standout feature is the anti-curl design. Often, printable vinyl can curl or jam in your printer, but Htvront has thoughtfully packaged their sheets. With double sealing protection, a sealed bag and a built-in OPP bag, to keep the vinyl perfectly flat during shipping and storage. This design helps prevent printer jams and ensures smooth feeding through your printer. Speaking of printers, this vinyl is highly compatible. It works well with all inkjet and laser printers, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're using a home printer or a professional-grade machine, Htvront vinyl supports normal ink and recommends pigment ink for longer-lasting results. The thickness is just right too, not too thin to cause jams, and not too thick to wear out your printer. This ensures easy cutting on all craft cutters like Cricut or Silhouette machines, allowing you to bring your creative projects to life with precision. Durability is another key selling point. This vinyl sticks strongly to smooth and hard surfaces such as glass, metal, plastic, and wood. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, so you can create stickers for anything from home decor to car decals. However, it's worth noting that this vinyl is not suitable for soft surfaces like fabric or t-shirts since it's designed for more rigid materials. One of the best things about this product is how it inspires creativity. Whether you want to personalize your laptop, make custom labels, or design business signage, HtVront's printable vinyl gives you the flexibility to do it all. The glossy finish enhances your print's sharpness and color vibrancy, making your designs truly stand out. In summary, the Htvront printable vinyl offers a water-resistant, high-quality surface, excellent compatibility with printers and cutters, anti-curl packaging, and a durable adhesive that holds well over time. It's a reliable choice for anyone who values ease of use and professional results in their vinyl printing projects. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in printable vinyl that delivers on quality and durability, Htvront is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and insights. See you next time.